Good.
Okay, shall I start?
Yeah, please go ahead.
Hey, good morning. This is Chanchal. I'm from Pune, Maharashtra, working as a senior business analyst in NGI. So total, I do have 13 plus years of experience as a business analyst and partial Scrum Master. So yeah, good to see you all.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Chanchal, whom you are nominating, Chanchal? You can
Uh,
nominate somebody.
I will nominate Jignesh.
Jignesh. Jignesh, you are in mute.
Yeah, good morning, everybody.
Morning.
Myself, Jignesh Seth from Mumbai, Maharashtra. I do have 26 years of IT experience and 17 years into healthcare.
Okay.
Right now, I'm
fantastic.
looking for a job change,
Uh-huh.
and I do have the project management experience, IT head experience, and I work with many hospitals in Mumbai.
Uh-huh.
So let's see, we'll connect with each other, and let's see any opportunity comes up.
Yeah. Sure. Thanks, Jignesh.
Yeah, that's it from my side. Thank you.
So whom you are nominating, Jignesh? We will take time till 9:15 and then we'll start.
Okay.
Ah.
Kiran, I nominate Mr. Kiran.
Hello.
Yeah, please go ahead, Kiran.
Go ahead, Kiran.
Good morning. I'm into IT for last 20 years and mainly in the project management. So I'm looking out for the job right now.
Which location and company you are working? May I know?
Pune.
Pune. Okay. Okay, got it. Thanks, Kiran. Thanks for sharing that. Whom you are nominating, Kiran?
Maybe Gauri Priya.
Gauri.
This is yeah, have 20 years of 17 years of experience in IT. So I was
Gauri, your
senior
voice is
executive.
breaking. I can't hear. Voice is breaking. Maybe some internet
Now
issue.
it is fine, straight.
It's better.
Better.
Now it is audible.
It's audible.
Okay, so yeah, this is Gauri Priya, having 17 years of experience in IT industry. So both in development, testing, and management side. So currently looking for opportunity in Scrum Master. So this is my current situation. I'm looking for an opportunity. Ready to join immediately.
Okay, fantastic. And whom you are nominating?
Nominating Naresh.
Hi, Naresh.
Hi, Suresh. Yeah, my name is Naresh Oakley. Actually, I'm from Tamil Nadu, Chennai. I've been a part of IT industry for 18 years. In Wipro, I'm a project manager. I'm eager to learn a Scrum Master with immediate joiner.
Okay.
I'm going to nominate Guna.
Guna is going to the trainer. Okay, Guna, anyway, you
That's
introduce.
okay. Anyway, that's game is game, right?
Right.
Thank you so much, guys. Yeah, my name is Gunaslin. You can call me as Guna. Currently, I am a program manager, and you can call it as I'm into mostly in product management space in Excel technologies, and I'm having 23 plus years of IT experience. The current role which I'm playing is I'm closely engaging with customer side and customer projects, and predominantly my main role is close to like 60-70%. I'm handling like 4 to 5 products, which is a financial handling, right? In terms of project management perspective, how we can control the cost, the forecasting. Those are I am well versed in that. So in his addition, I always ready to learn new things in my career and all. In general, I am passionate to create a difference in people's life, as well as I am passionate for teaching or coaching.
Fantastic.
Thank you so much. I nominate Suresh Anuvam. Over to you, Suresh.
Suresh, you are in mute. I think Guna, you can nominate someone. He may have some challenge.
Sure. I'll nominate Prakash.
Prakash. Okay. Hi, Prakash. Morning. Prakash, can you introduce yourself, Prakash? We just started Now you are introducing each other.
Yes, Suresh. Hi, everyone. So, I'm Prakash. So in overall IT, I have 13 years of experience. It's in the purely software development. I have some experience around 4 to 5 years in the technical project manager role. I have worked in the various domains, e-commerce and telecom industries. And mainly, if I want to tell, I have some good experience in cloud and other architects.
That's really awesome, Prakash.
That's so great.
Thanks, Prakash.
Thank you.
Great. And whom you are nominating next, Prakash? Maybe
Oh, I'm sorry,
since
just
you
now I
joined,
logged in.
just now you logged in. So what about Veera?
Yeah.
You are left.
Yeah. Hi, all. Good morning. This is Veeranjanelu Manyam. So I stay in Hyderabad. I have around 16 plus years of experience. Currently, I'm working as a Scrum Master in Tech Mahindra. Right now, I'm looking out for the opportunities in the Scrum side.
Okay, good. That's really good. So did I left anybody or everyone introduced?
My name is Satish.
Yeah, Satish, go ahead.
Yeah, so I worked as a senior technical manager, currently located in Hyderabad. So looking for opportunities.
Okay, great. Thanks, Satish. Okay, so I think we can get started, Guna.
Thank you so much, Suresh. Okay, once again, I welcome you all. Right, really, I'm so happy to see that close to 11 members in the Saturday morning 9 a.m. logged in. Right. So before we get into the call or all these things, let us set the context. First of all, again, thank you so much for Suresh to create this community and know that career job search and also other learning areas. So here is my request actually, at least from now onwards, why don't we have the session every Saturday, I think, 9 to 10. You please better to try to commit yourself kind of thing. And it's not like not only me taking the session or something like that, even you can also pick some topics and also you can also join. So that is the way, let us grow this community actually. So why I'm saying here is the current industry, the current challenge, the current world, we need to learn from multiple resources, multiple sources we need to learn. One of the major which play a major role in our life in the current world is community too, because whom you are associated play a major role in the current setup. So for that, community learning is also important. Community learning, you need to contribute. In turn, you'll get contributed. That is the way we need to work on that. That is kind of a service-oriented mentality which we need to bring forth that, so that even 1 or 2 persons continuously we are not taking this as other can easily jump into that actually. So forget about what you are getting actually. Just try to give something obviously, which in turn, knowingly, unknowingly, you will get many things. That is what my request actually. So can I get commitment from you all? Because even right now also, before that, even I also didn't discuss with Suresh, but the way people joined, right? Why don't you bring velocity and have like 4, 10, 12, 15 members, core members in that, community learning, like that we can do that actually. And for that, yes, we need a commitment. Once in a week, Saturday, minimum 9 to 10. What are these? Say, for example, another 1 year, every week we have sessions, one fine day or one point over the period, definitely it's a great learning will be there actually. So right now, today's the first sessions we are introducing and we are setting the context. So, but what I'm saying is like 9 to 10, sharply 8:45, 8:50 login, 9 o'clock will start, 9:50, 9:50 we'll complete it. That is the way we'll plan it. So, can I get the commitment from you people, or what do you guys think?
Any questions, concerns? Yeah, buts, how you can ask. Thank you, Prakash. Anybody?
I think if we have some agenda for the next session with the topic names clearly, I think, yeah.
Yeah, actually, another 4 weeks topic agenda is clear, Prakash. The thing is related to Gen AI. We can talk about Gen AI, ML, Gen AI, those kind of things. I'm committed for another, even you can say 4 weeks or 5 weeks. If at all, if you're not able to take in between in one of the weeks, then you can pitch in. But now itself, we can 4-5 weeks, we'll fix the time. I'm talking about the future, the Q1, Q2, 2025, Q1. No, we have like solid people. So you can also, I can see the Prakash, architect. I can see some of engineering managers, right? Even Scrum Masters, right? So not only even you can learn and do. If you go to Google, many things is there like AI for Scrum Master. So like that, you can learn. You can start providing stuff here. Actually, that's what the thing.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Yes, couple of points I want to add. Thanks for Guna sharing that. Couple of things is like here the intention is not to share anything confidential about the projects that we do or the client, none of it. The intention is to learn things. And when you learn things, then you will all the time will have a confidence. And when you get the project related to that to work, then you will have all the knowledge required to start doing the work, not just to figuring out how to do. So when we have people who are experienced and who have already worked on that, so then it's like already somebody put the road and you are just going to travel that, right? So knowledge is the intention of these sessions. And of course I will share the recordings, but if you can join, then you may have some questions. So this session can be interactive, right? So with that, we will get started.
Yeah, thank you so much, Suresh. Okay, let us make this call very interactive, very casual, and there is no hard and fast and rules kind of things. Only one commitment is sharply, please be providing active listening for this another 45 minutes, like 30 to 40 minutes, whatever. So before we start, okay, so what do you mean by AI or Gen AI or ML, right? So what is it? We start from that. Why don't you share your space? So what do you mean by that? No, definitely everyone will come across that. Let us start from the fundamentals. So what do you think about that actually? Like 1 or 2 sentences, not like like paragraph kind of things. What do you think about that actually? What do you know? AI, Gen AI or ML, anything. These three you can comment on anything. Very simple. One or short and scripts. We don't use one or some of you. From that we'll start our discussion.
So whatever I heard about the Gen AI
Who is this?
my name is
Suresh.
Satish.
Satish. Yeah. Go Satish. Yeah.
So whatever I heard of Gen AI is ChatGPT. That's where I started exploring Gen AI.
Okay.
Then I could learn about prompt engineering, etc., etc. But yeah, ChatGPT was my starting point for Gen AI.
Okay. There is a kind of ChatGPT is there. Okay. Very good. Someone next. You are moving the next 2 to 3 levels up. Anyway, some other persons. Even if you don't know, tell that actually what is exactly no, because this is a very good learning, because at least we are IT. At least if we don't know that, then it's really same for all of us. So that's why I'm asking these questions. Or what? AML. Any other person? Another 1 or 2?
Actually, from my side, Gen AI is like, so it can create a new content and so the way which we give the inputs to that, so it will provide you the enhanced outputs to us.
Very good. Great.
Using machine learning algorithms.
Oh, okay. Excellent. Thank you so much. Yeah. So anyone? Any other persons? What is AI? I'm asking very simple question. No?
Yeah, AI is artificial intelligence. And recently, Apple is saying Apple intelligence. I don't know.
Sorry, Apple is?
Apple is saying Apple intelligence. The industry is saying artificial intelligence.
Oh, okay. But what do you say?
I will say, I will go with the industry.
Okay. So, see, if you look into that now, AI, that is no artificial intelligence, which means we are creating a machine. Artificial intelligence is creating a machine. You can call it as an intelligent machine. So, which is equal to or close to human being. That's what the major concept is. Right? So artificial intelligence is something like, see, in our life now, a human being, we cannot create one human being like others, right? Because human beings, it's our generation, right? So we know which evolved many industries, right? But human create a mission that is happening long time back, like even for 50, 60 years before itself, they created that. Even computers are human created mission. But now, why it has become so popular is human creating a mission instead of he's creating intelligent mission which is close to human brain. 99%, not 100%. That's not possible. That is what called as AI. That is artificial intelligence, right? So next thing, if you look into that now, there is something called ML actually. That is a machine learning and Gen AI, right? But the next thing is, see, you all should know what is machine learning, right? Because this is a base. The general Gen AI is based on the machine learning algorithm. So ML is something like what happened. Yeah, it's also create a machine, but from examples, learning from examples. Say, for example, as you said, no, apple or mango, right? So I have, suppose if I feed 1,000 mangoes, right? No, based on that, we can tell which one is which type of mango, or if we have set of data, if you're giving a set of data, right, like housing price for particular location, particular city, particular area, this house price is this one, right? Like you can feed many number of data, then you'll predict the output. So that is called as ML. It's a machine learning. So now in general, this area like artificial intelligence, machine learning, or Gen AI, they call it as a model. Earlier, what happened? Any program, input, process, output, right? Computer will write a program. Computer can understand only in the form of numbers, right? So you'll put that program, you can call it as a program or codings, right? Program, no, you'll give the input, program will do some processing, then based on the logic, it will produce the output. But now this Gen AI, ML, AI, they are calling it as a model. You are creating a model, right? So you'll be instead of giving input kind of things, you are instructing a model to produce some kind of output. That is called as LM. There is large learning model that we are now going to discuss the AI, ML, and also Gen AI. Now you understand what is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence create an intelligent machine. What is ML? Learning from examples, learning from many areas. This model will predict the output actually, predict the system, right? And what is Gen AI? Gen AI is a generative AI. Yeah, so learning from examples and creating machines. You can give input for any form. Like input might be a video, audio, text, right? Based on the instructions, it will be generating the output. That's why it's called as Gen AI. That is generative AI. So artificial intelligence and ML, then Gen AI. So you can say Gen AI is the subset of ML. ML is a subset of AI. So this is the way you can categorize that. So that's what the main concept for between the artificial intelligence, machine learning, and Gen AI. Machine learning is an algorithm. We can give. Many people used to say the examples like now when you say the image, it's a cat or dog. The mango, it's a raw mango or ripened mango. It's when you say apple and orange, it's apple or orange, right? So these kind of things will be our model. We can train to predict the output actually. So this is what called as Gen AI. So till that, you have any questions, any doubt actually? This is a very basic fundamental thing which everyone's supposed to know that. If you don't need these things, please get to know and go to YouTube and kind of things. No, otherwise, when you say Gen AI now, the industry is going there's many places, with different height. So if you don't know what is this, the basic concept, really it will be not good actually. You got clear? Any doubt in that?
Guna, I have a doubt.
Yeah, please.
So, for all these AI and Gen AI, every time there will be ML algorithms, or it is not required?
No, not okay. ML algorithm is a base. So why I'm saying ML is no. See, because now when you say computer language, right? C, C++, no, we should know what is the only one of the language, right? Like GW basic or kind of things like that. What is the ML? No, what is ML? What is ML algorithm? What will be producing result? No, that no, you need to understand the terminologies. So that's why we are. ML is a base actually. ML, machine language algorithm is a base. Even this is very simple. I'll explain all these things. So you can say ML. We'll by using ML, you are creating a model. Then you will train the model based on the input or instructions. Based on the input and instructions, after training the model predict the system, predict the output. This is what the flow. Right.
Okay.
You got it, Sadish?
Yeah. Okay.
Right. So everything is base. That's I told no. Artificial intelligence superset, something like that. Artificial intelligence concept. ML is a subset of AI, and Gen AI is a subset of ML. You can say like that. So using ML also, you can write many algorithms, many things that I'll show that. Now we can have a kind of Python is a very pioneer, very popular. Using Python, you can create a ML program, ML model. Nowadays, you can using Java also, you can create a ML model. That's what now it has come up. So Gen AI is a advanced one. Because based on the MLM model, we can write a different code, or you can have a predefined models, predefined API, everything is there. We can pull it, we can put it, and we can have that. Even we have like Hugging Faces and many things, many areas. This is the area. One more thing, this domain is a data science. Actually, AI itself is a extension of data science. That's why it's become very popular. So when you earlier days, you say that, right? In India, which soap is selling more? We want to take the stock, right? So they have like they have different mechanisms. Okay, now Lidl, Vice Sandal, right? How will they come to know that? So because they cannot go and talk to many people, right? So based on the input and model sample data, say for example, like we have like 30 or 50 data is there. 10 data will go for testing, other 10 is for training. We'll train the data, then sample, then predict the system. So that is what the main concept lies here. Satish.
Okay.
Got
And
it?
from the infrastructure point of view, like what kind of does ML and on top of it AI work on regular servers, database, conventional databases, or they require separate infrastructure to handle large amount of data, to model those?
See, yeah, it's a good question. So, infrastructure point of view, what is better even nowadays, even if you want to run on any ML using Python, even you don't need to install Python. That's what the thing is. Because nowadays, everything towards people are going towards the cloud, right? Even that's something called Google Colab is there. I'll show that, I'll explain that. There's something called Google Colab. It's a browser. If you have a Google account, that's it. Directly go to the Google Colab, open the Python program, automatically it will be loading that actually. That is a way is there. Because it's not like kind of, we can't think about the on-prem kind of stuff. Because as you said, no, if I want to say, I want to view that it's a dogs or cats, right? And what will happen? There are thousands of images you need to upload. So once you upload thousands, where will you store that? That's why that's cloud provides all the data.
Okay.
One second, just a minute. Yeah. Okay. So infrastructure, but I mean nothing to worry about, because now that's why now we have artificial intelligence, traditional AI services is there, and you can say like three major areas, right? That's why Azure and AWS and Google Cloud. Infrastructure point of view, that's what not only AI. Nowadays, people are not least bothered about infrastructure because know who will maintain the services and know who will. Most people are going towards the cloud platform, right? So there is popular platforms like AWS and Azure, Microsoft Azure. Got that?
Yeah. Okay.
Good. So today, what is the next thing? Let us get to that ML, the next level. So what we can say, in the case of ML, let me share my screen. Let me know once you're able to see my screen. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, Guna, I'm able to do that.
Okay, thank you, Suresh. So, yeah, so AI is just to create intelligent machines, right? And ML will learn from examples, like different examples from that will create it. So AI, ML, so Gen AI is a subset of ML, ML is a subset of AI. Then we create a intelligent machine and network. So this is what the thing is there. But now this is the artificial intelligence. So machine learning, deep learning, I will tell later. There's a neural network kind of things. This is what. So what is the advantage if you could know text generation? Yeah, that is we can generate, that is the text generation. Mostly, most of you are aware of that because it's a prompt engineering, right? In the Gen AI, ChatGPT, if you, whatever the things you want, you can type it, you will get the output, right? That's the instant output actually. That's every time you feed the data, you will get this a new data actually. So generative, that's a generative text. So that is as someone mentioned, ChatGPT, right? ChatGPT is a 3.0 is a free version. From there, you can prompt, you can whatever things you need, you can prompt and you can get the data, right? That is a text generation. Sometimes, if you wanted to produce a different kind of outputs, like for example, a video, audio, then in her next level, that is ChatGPT 4, and those area you can create it, then you will get a video audio kind of output. So that's what ChatGPT 4 is a paid version. So now here, when you say video output, right? Suppose when you say video, when you shoot video or when you photo, what happened? You using camera will shoot the video and camera, right? Photo, right? But based on 1,000 videos and 1,000 cameras, you can create your videos. You can generate the video. The video might not be taken on the ground. So that is what is happening in the Gen AI world. Got it? Yeah, that's ML, AI, and Gen AI. This is the main area. So now we just let us get to some more things in the ML level. So there is something called different types of learning is ML. Why I am saying this now? Definitely very preliminary level, these terms you should know. See, nowadays I'm telling, first you understand the concept, know the terminologies, then you can build your knowledge based on that. But if you don't know the basic stuff, then it will be really very difficult. So there is two types of learning is there. There is something called supervised learning and unsupervised learning. Under supervised learning, we have like classification, regression is there, and one of the things is linear regression method. I will explain all these things. So, have anyone heard about supervised learning? Any idea? Can you throw some light on that?
No idea.
No idea. Oh, okay.
To give the label data.
Sorry?
To give the labeled and structured data.
Excellent. We are any data tagged the label. from tagged information. No? That is called the supervision data, which means that the data will be highly associated actually, right? Now, say for example, when I say mango, right? So when you say mango, what are the things which you come to know, guys? Can you tell some parameters of mango?
Shape,
Oh,
color.
very good. Shape, okay. Color, excellent. Shape, color, okay. Then
lot of varieties of mangoes.
very good. Okay. What is the example of a variety of mango?
We have Banganpalli, Totapuri, etc., etc.
Okay, fine. Very good. Bangalore developer is there. Okay. Then the high level variety, the top level, what you can say? You can see a green mango or yellow mango, right?
Yeah, green mango.
Right. No, that's a raw mango, right? Okay, good. So say for this example, when you say mango, we have like kind of data. Before that, let me go back our 9th standard, 10th standard mathematics. Everyone knows about that statistics, right? Statistics and probability, right? And also we have something called that binomial, that's analytical geometry equation side, y equal to mx plus c. Have you heard about it, everyone? Or y equal to f of x, function of x. Am I right or not? Or it's something new I'm asking. So I think most of you have kids, right? So at least if you don't learn it, at least you can learn by teaching your kids, right? Have you heard about that? Y equal to f of x? No? Oh God. Okay, I'll ask simple questions. Everyone knows graph, right? Graph, right?
Yes.
Hello. Right. So what do you mean by graph? What are the things will be there in the graph?
We can compare x-axis and y-axis.
Very good. We can compare x-axis and y-axis, right?
Yeah.
So what will be there in the x-axis? What will be there in the y-axis? Simple mathematics class.
Some parameters may be there.
Very good. Parameters, right? But what type of parameters will be there in x? What type of parameters will be y? Any idea? What type of parameters will be x? What type of parameters will be y? X-axis, y-axis. I know that you said x-axis, y-axis, right? Okay, then what kind of parameter you have?
It depends upon case to case basically. Like suppose if you want to see any students data, so we can put date wise attendance.
Okay, no, not like simply we can put that actually. Say for example, when you say see this is a function y equal to f of x. This is a function which if you look into that, the function might be x plus 2. So y equal to f of x plus 2, right? Suppose if x is 5, what is the value of y? Hello? Simple.
F of 7. No?
Correct. The function is x plus 2 actually. Then y equal to 7, right?
Oh.
Yes.
If x is 3, y equal to
5.
5. So x can be anything. But if x is that, the y will be there, right?
Right.
So that any graph, this is basic funda. I'm telling that x should be an independent variable and y should be a dependent variable.
Okay.
These are the parameter actually. So x is a, so if you look into that, y equal to f of x or y equal to mx plus c. So we can look into this is the one statement. So if right hand side is a parameters, based on the right hand side parameters, left hand side parameter will come. Right. That's what the thing is there. So this is the dependent and independent variable. Whenever you want to do any graph. So when you have this now, right hand side, whatever things are there, no, that's the input. Left hand side is the output. That's what they showed. Some of you told, right? Shape and all, right? So when I say one mango, which is in green color, right? So what you can say is no, the mango size is kind of no. The mango size is 50 kg. Example, not 50 kg, like 3 kg, and color is kind of green. Then it's a raw mango, right? So right hand side, whatever things that is called as features. You can say it's in the term in machine language they are saying that features, and left hand side is a data. So this is what called as supervised data. This data is under supervision actually. This data is under supervision. Then we can call it as a supervised data. Suppose so that's why it's right hand side is feature and left hand side is output. So if I want to say in a model whether it is the green mango or raw mango or not, it's not easily possible actually. So that's why the machine learning comes to the picture. Any doubt? Hope you are able to follow that, right? Hello?
Yes, clear.
Very good, doctor. Right. So then what is the unsupervised data? Unsupervised data is no, that there is no label will not be there actually. So we need to say, for example, this is the raw data. So you're doing something. Based on that, we are classifying something and put it as these clusters actually. So some green mangoes are in one place now, and yellow mangoes in other place. Right? This is the unsupervised data. This is the two areas they are mentioning the machine language actually. So supervision data, unsupervised data, and that next thing we are having like supervision data and unsupervised data. We are they are classified into two areas, classification and regression. So I'll just touch upon that. In the case of regression, what do you mean by regression is no? I think again it's 9th standard mathematics. So linear regression, there's something called linear regression actually. So what is the mean by linear regression is? So we will give the plenty of data. Say for example, I have 50 data is there based on the age. I am giving the salary. They say, for example, at the age of 30 for software engineers, so the salary is 5 lakhs, and 35 salary is 7 lakhs. Like 30 data if I give, right? So if you give these data as an input or instructions, so you will predict that. Suppose if I have like the system predicts that okay, at this juncture, a person having a 20 years of experience. So what will be the approximate salary that can be predicted using the machine language algorithm? That's why ML is playing a major role. Right. So now we are going to discuss something about regression and ML. Okay. Say for example, in this example, if you look into that, I have this is my model. Based on the model, I want to say particular mango is a ripened mango or raw mango, right? That's what I just wanted to know that. How it's possible, computer cannot understand. Computer can understand only in the form of language. So then what we can do, then you can add some parameters. As someone mentioned, Chancellor someone mentioned right now, you can take as a 2 parameters. There's something called shape, and second or weight, and second one is color, weight and color. So for example, I'll write a diagram right now that linear equations. It start from 50 gram to 500 gram, right? So I take one mango, right? If I take one mango and I put, how I can put it, the two parameters I'm taking. One is a color, other one is a weight. So if the mango is in between the like 55 gram and also raw mango, I put it as a blue color, right? And second thing, if you have another mango, like 125 kg, it's a raw mango. Some mango is a 150 kg, that's a 150 gram, and the color is a yellow, means I'll dot it as a red actually. So if you look into here now, these are all, say for example, I have like 10 mangoes I'm taking the account. What happened? These guys, I can write, I can draw put it in the different places. Very simple in the case of like coordinating, right? Line coordinator, right? But what will be the regression, right? So here I'll put it in the x-axis. Say for example, when I draw a diagram in the x-axis, right? Say here, the left. How to do that? I'm putting into the y-axis as an weight and x-axis as an color. Put it. So if it is a 50 gram, I take one mango, 50 gram. Okay. So now here 50 gram, but it's a color is an green, right? Okay. Here I put it. Okay. Now I'll take the other one, another like 50 gram. The color is still it's a pure green. The color concentration here, and this one. And now if I have the one mango, weight is like 100 gram, and it is color is yellow dotted. Say for example, based on the graph, I draw the line. Okay. So now what will happen? What is the objective which we are going to do that, right? No, when you put it the regression. Regression is something like outcome, right? No, so that is a we are forcing the data. So the data will be upcoming data will be changed actually, right? So based on that, we will be create a model. So what will happen? No, we will draw a line. I think you would have heard about that 9th or 10th standard maths, no, fitting the straight line. One of the problem is there, right? So now what will happen is, no, we have like here, then you draw a line that is ultimate. So when you draw a line which is closer to the all the dots, this is called linear regression. So based on the different data, when you closer to all, what will happen? Now, once you draw the line, you can remove the dots, individual dots. So when you give a mango, the mango is towards this, no, then this will be a ripened mango. Or the mango is in the here, no, it's a raw mango. This is a prediction actually. This is what the in the supervised learning, using the linear regression, we are writing a machine language algorithm. So getting the point? So now you understand why I'm taking this. See, this might see the GenAI is useful or not, that is different. But this ML is very much useful to understand the concept. If you don't know these things, then you don't understand what is the underlying concept behind the GenAI. So ultimately, what we are doing that, based on collecting the data, we are putting a linear regression. Based on that, we will be predicting that. Got that? Any questions? Hello?
Yeah, got it. Yeah.
Great. Super.
Got it.
So thank you. So now, maybe let me directly, I will show some samples because we have only 10 minutes. Say, for example, this is a salary data. So what I'm now, we have 30 data is there. 30 data capturing years of experience and salary, right? It's a dollar. The person having 1.1 experience, this is the 39K, 1.3, this much K, this much K. Something is the, we have captured the data. This is what the data. So Based on that, if you want to say one person is having the experience 3.9, doesn't mean that you have to search 3.9 and giving the data. No. This experience, this data is there. And based on this instruction, if a person is telling that 5.1 experience or 5.2, now how you predict that? Based on this model, how you predict? That is the machine language model. So now we have two things are there. This is the feature. If the years of experience is this one, what is the salary? This is the features. This is the label actually, right? So Y, this is the Y axis, this is the output, this is an input. So this is what we have to give that and we will run the model. So now there is something called Google Colab is there actually. So as someone asked the infrastructure, no, forget about all. So look into that. Lab. Linear regression. So when I wanted to run that, we have something called database we need, and also the Python program actually. So this is the linear regression program. That's it. So here, this is the program. For that, we need input also, right? So this is forget about all, because this is directly get into the infrastructure, linear progress, simple linear regression. Say, for example, this is something called NumPy, that is a NumPy, Pandas. These are the predefined libraries which is there in the Python language. This will help you to predict the system. If I just run this now,
So Guna, this is Suresh here.
yeah,
Just have one doubt.
yeah. Go ahead, please.
See, what you are showing is technically
I'm
to
not going full
understood to
technical.
understand. No, it's
Don't
not
worry.
technical. Okay.
No. No, it is technical only, but I will not go in depth. That I am very clear.
Okay, fine.
Otherwise, it will be boring actually, or it will not be relevant to you actually. So why I am saying is that's why directly I get into the concept. I'm explaining that actually.
Okay.
So here, if you look into that, you want to run the data, so the salary data. Here I cannot execute that. Why? Because we need to import the that data. That's right. Importing that salary data. Is executed. Train the model. Simple regression. Yes, you are predicting the result. Say, for example, 1.5. This is the way. This is the data which I put in the case of 1.5, 4835. So if you look into that, it's not like the 1.5, this one will not come. You are giving this data. What will happen is one set of data, 10 data will be putting for training, another 10 data will be putting for testing. Then we'll run the model. So this can be predicted actually. If you visualize the data right, now you look into that. Salary versus expense. Now, ultimately, we have draw a line. The line is very close to all the dots. This is the model which our model will producing these results, visualizations. Now, if we come to there, this is the scatter plot, the training data and regression and labeling, visualizing the test results. This is the data. This visualization helps in understanding how a linear regression model first blue data and fitting the data, draining the data, scatter actual data points. Examining this part, you can assess whether the model captures the trend in the data or not. So now we can give the data for what do you say, like housing prices, or no certain area, like many data you can put it and you can output, you can get the output. So these are all the things we can very well run that actually. So why I am showing this code, this is forget about what is there at all. Only thing is you just visualize that, just imagine, not imagine, just visualize how that this can be there. Ultimately, this is a model. We are running Python, we are having the data set actually. Now I don't install anything Python in my system. I have a data, working data with the working Python code. Open the Google Colab. There is a Google is giving that. Just run that, we'll plot the result. So now this you can predict the system. Yes, how that would be. Now suppose after that you need to verify that actually. So that data is verifying. When you're verifying that, still not the way you're not getting the output the way you expected, then you will say that you have trained the data in a different way. So this is the way you need to train the model, guys. Understand? So now your point clear. I'm not going into that. I'm not explaining the coding and all. But
okay,
this is what I'm giving the entire picture. How that would be. If you want to be an architect for the engineering manager, go through the code actually. But my expectation is at least you should know. Forget about coding or not. At least you can say Google Colab. That is important. Yeah, there is something called Google Colab. See, when you're attending interview, we run the code in the Google Colab. People can't know. I think this guy is trying to understand the language. See, because the current world, the upcoming world right now, so full of AI, right? So we can't.
At least we can use this knowledge to have a discussion with the customer.
Exactly. So very well.
And propose new suggestions and get more ideas from the team. And ask relevant questions to the team so that they come up with
because see, the thing is what happened, they don't expect a pure project manager. They don't expect pure Scrum Master. When you apply a job, if you look into that, Scrum Master, then asking that in Vasu's company and all, they're asking that, do you know the domain knowledge? Do you lead a team? See, because nowadays they're expecting enormous skills. So that in middle level, even the delivery lead, even VP level, AVP level, they are giving training. Most of the companies, they're giving training for GenAI. Why? Because the entire knowledge has to be scattered. In our company and all, they are creating a kind of GenAI academy. So, look into that. People are, once you complete a project, they are awarded with we reward for up to 4 lakhs per person actually. Because now you just imagine, most of the companies are investing huge amount for GenAI. Why? Because everything is there. And another important thing I'm telling, see that the documents right now it is extremely well-versed in the most of the company's projects. Now even that you can feed 1,000 documents. Matter of second, we will infer that, analyze all the 1,000 documents and will produce the concrete information. That is the kind of model is ready now. Now then what you are going to do? Nothing. Only thing you need to see, because now the ChatGPT is there. Everyone knows ChatGPT, right? How efficiently you wanted to use ChatGPT in prompt engineering, that is the main thing. So what I covered today is mainly in the interest of time, just to recap, then we can give 5 or 10 minutes for question answer. Then we'll wrap the session. What we covered, what is AI? AI is nothing but creating an intelligent mission. What is ML? ML is learn from the examples and creating a mission. What is GenAI? GenAI is creating content in terms of text, audio, video, but in any form, right? So the GenAI is the subset of ML, and ML is a subset of AI, right? So the base is ML, that is a machine language. So using any programming language, you can create a ML model, machine language model. So that we have like 2 types of learning is there. That is supervised learning and unsupervised learning. Supervised learning is something like it's label the data, tag the data. Unsupervised learning means the data will be getting supervised. I'm telling that I wanted to know the salary of the particular person, years of experience person. It means that you are very clear. That formula is clear. Future label. You are giving many features and many labels, then you will predict the system. And the next thing is classification is there. As you said, now like classification also, you can say it's a cat or a dog, right? Or raw mango or ripened mango, right? So these are the areas which we have learned. And ultimately, finally, I have shown that what is the how the ML looks like. Suppose in the Google Colabs editor, you are importing the data, then you're running the Python script, you're producing the results. So this is what I explained. So this is a linear regression. And sometimes if you have time, upcoming sessions, you can have a classification. And next thing is we can go for little bit about ML, then directly jump into the Gen AI. What is Gen AI? Previously, what is the AI services there? Traditional AI services. Everything, this is the way only I will be taking the sessions because I will not go in depth in the technical side because it does not, this highly irrelevant. After 3 or 4 sessions, then directly involve our things now. How AI help for Scrum Master, how AI help for project manager. So if you know that area after attending these 4 sessions, then you can easily, your confidence level will be increased. That is my main objective of this sessions, guys. Actually, so with this, I will stop here. I'll take a pause. Open to questions and answers. You can ask any questions, even that question is a very preliminary, basic level. Don't think about the thing. So I'm here. I'm happy to handle them. Questions and answers here for another 10 minutes. Actually. Now, as per the officially, the session is over. If at all any important work which you have planned, all the things, you feel free to log off. Otherwise, I can be here for another 5-10 minutes, like till 10-15. We can engage with the questions. Not only this in AI, how that in general, any questions you can ask in terms of this. I'm happy to handle.
Thank you so much, Guna.
Yes, sir.
So let's open for the people to share.
So Guna,
yes, it is. If it will be really good if you come on video, actually, not mandatory, so that will be more.
I'm not prepared for today, but next time I'll try to
no
do
problem,
that.
no problem.
So
but next time, the question is next time you should be prepared and come. That's all. At least no, only Suresh and me. No, imagine all the 10 members are in the video. No, how that is a real class. That's what I'm saying. That's what I request you to be committed on that. Actually,
okay.
Keep us all the work and also have more interactive sessions.
Right.
Yeah.
So in that data set you have shown, right?
Yeah.
So I think there it is mentioned as till 10 years, what is the salary range? So if you want to get data for 20 or 25 years, then the program
it will predict the system. That's what. No, see,
okay.
Because you are giving a sample data, right? That's why 30 data is there. How what the code will 10 randomly they'll pick the data. Say, for example, first 3 data, 1 data they'll pick it. Like the 10 set, pick it in the training the set. Another 10 will be the testing the set actually. So when your testing is very much important. Say, for example, if you run the model, if I say you are training your example 5 years experience, 30K is there. If you give 6 years experience, again, if you get the answer as 10K, then your model is not matured enough. So why I'm saying this, these are the terms, the terminology. The model is not sufficient. No, like the model is not matured enough to produce results. In that case, you train the model. Then you need to validate the result. Then you can add different types of data, more data. Then you can train the model. Because when Gen AI doesn't replace any people. Only thing is you should know where you wanted to use the Gen AI. It will be enhance your productivity. Human being brain, you cannot compete with Gen AI. But at the same time, when you are doing repetitive actions, right? I also will select some more examples. Say, for example, like when I was in US, my friend's kid, 1.5 to 2 years old kid, he was he was crying, he was not feeling well. Then we took him to hospital in the midnight, like around 2 a.m. The hospital is big one. right? No, after we entered, no, then we tell that he's crying, it looks like fever and all these things. You know one thing, a doctor, lady doctor, very good doctor, not even touch the kid. Before that, he asked, she asked that 50 questions. So where is he sleeping? Is the baby feed? When, what morning, what food you take? And no any diarrhea. Like 50 questions she asked. Then she said, then okay, now you just go. Kind of. So what I'm saying is, especially the health industry, in medical industry, 50 questions, right? Like 1,000 questions, 2,000 questions, if you feed it now, your system will produce good result, right? That is based on that, you'll be predict the system. So these areas, it enhance the productivity, Gen AI. At the same time, there is restrictions is there in Gen AI, the dangerous field is there in the Gen AI, that I will tell. Even I just said one more quick example. Just 2-3 days before, my son was not feeling well. No, I took him to hospital by riding the bike, right? Backside, he was sitting, and no, he is not able to wear the helmet actually. Then I told that okay, then don't wear the helmet, just be there. I was crossing that Gemini flyover, that traffic police there, right? I'm just crossing. Even he was totally tired. That the traffic person saw that and he didn't ask that where is the helmet and all. I just crossed actually. Then I was thinking, I realized that consider instead of the traffic person, if any AI generated person is there, right? He will say why he didn't wear helmet. He'll put a fine, 1,000 rupees or something like that, right? So that wherever the empathy is involved, right? That time, because you cannot exactly, you cannot inject neuron, right? No. So when I see that, okay, this guy is not feeling well, and okay, go, something will be there, right? But that's why 95% you can create an intelligent machine, but not fully you can replace the human being. That's what I just wanted. Yes, please go ahead.
Okay, yeah. The other thing is, you mentioned companies are asking for AI, Gen AI in the interviews for
Yeah,
the
correct.
role of Scrum Master or Project Manager.
Correct.
But like, are they what do they expect from the candidates? Like, because they are not into technical of Gen AI or AI, and like, what do they expect from the
No.
candidates?
Yeah. See what they expect. No, I'm not saying that only you tell this answer, you will be get selected. No, it's not like that. What I'm saying is, say, for example, your interview is half an hour or 1 hour, whatever things. Last 5 or 10 minutes or 2 to 3 minutes, they are touch upon some kind of Gen AI questions. If sometimes that time you can capture that based on this knowledge immediately. No, yeah, this guy latest technology also he knows. He is upskilling the things, right? No, he is learning the new skills. That is the only see that you say like 10th standard or science question. We have some questions there, 10 more questions there. If you draw, they will not explicitly ask that draw a diagram. But if you don't draw a diagram for the question, you will not get full mark. But there is no separate mark for diagram. You understand?
Okay,
Right? So
understood.
now, see, always there is the recently I read one book. I don't know how many of you know Tamil and all, right? No? That's a book is the book title is Do Beyond What You Hear, What You Listen. Solladathiyum Sei. There is something called. Why that our appraisal meets expectations? The another fifth grade is exceeds expectations. Means what? Exceeds expectations means what? Yes, of course, you need to have enormous skills to be competitive enough in the industry. Got it, Satish? Hope I think you got the answer for it.
Yeah, I think in couple of interviews they are touching on the Gen AI.
Yeah. Because one of the interview I attended with CEO, he was telling that I have a new team what kind of technology, what kind of things you, and then you put GenAI, then you have more questions. Actually, why already GenAI, everything is there, why you need GenAI? Everyone lost that. Why GenAI, everything's there in GenAI, what are you going to do? That's what the thing is there. So new ideas you need to bring forth that. It's the model you created, everything is there. Plenty of models are there in health industry, insurance, different domain, hugging face, many models are there. How you utilize the model for according to you, that way major problem. Now customers are not ready to sponsor for your requirements. Customers are ready to sponsor for your ideas. That's the word. That's a trend. Yeah, go ahead. Anyone? Other questions? Gauri Priya, Suresh Shanmugam, Veera.
Yeah, same question asked before that. That was the question. How that industry is picking the candidate with GenAI, like for example, a Scrum Master. They should be aware and needs to handle the team who is they are working in GenAI, or else we need to work on the GenAI.
Okay, so
like
good
that.
question. See, that's why I keep on telling Gauri. See, very simple. Actually, you are a Scrum Master. You want to create a task. You want to go do the things, right? What you will tell? Actually? Yeah, then your lead will say that, yeah, I will create a model with this algorithm. Okay, then create a model and testing the model, train the model. You need to create a task, right? You need to create a user story, right? For that, you need to know this basic funda, right? Got it?
Okay.
That is important. Scrum Master is facilitating. So you don't need to know what is the thing is there. If you know, it'll be an added advantage. Sometimes what happens, we are also from technical to we are moving to Scrum Master, right? Some people Scrum Master is there. Yeah, pure facilitation. Wherever you want, some people too good in connecting dots. Not all of us, right? No. Sometimes we need to know. So we need to show different skills, right? Then only we can.
But the
Yeah.
tools we are using for Scrum Master, for example, Jira, ADO,
Yeah,
are they also getting integrated to some kind of an
yeah, that
API?
is there. That will be later after 4-5 sessions. We'll do that. Even project, how AI is helping for project manager, how AI is helping for other things, right? So ultimately, again, I'm telling the very beginning industry. I used to tell in MS Word is there, right? MS Word, Excel sheet, right? If you know how to utilize 100% in MS Word, you don't need any desktop software, DTP software. That's what they do. If you know how to use the Excel in depth, no, even you don't need any kind of tally software kind of things. That much facilities are there in that. So what I'm saying is, in any tool is always tool. Ultimately, see, tool will provide the data, but people will give the insight. Got that?
Okay.
Yeah. Yes. Next. Sanchal. Jignesh. Suresh. Shanmugam. You want to acknowledge anything? Share your feedback. How its essence useful? Can we put first figure on this community, and every week can we connect? Unless there is a specific instruction, we have meeting for another 1 year. We have training for another Saturday from 9 to 10. Something like that. Let us commit. That's what my thought process. Anything else?
Okay, I think nothing is there. So maybe you can take some time and think through and let us know how this topic was useful and what correction you need to take, or if you need take any other different topics, you let us know. Okay.
Also,
Anything
how
is
do you
fine.
feel that you can what's your feedback also you can talk. You don't need to ask any questions and talk. I think you can talk something in that, no, because it's not like assembly, one can talk and other
Right.
will listen.
Yeah, so the purpose is like weekly, we need to spend at least 1 hour like this, sharing our knowledge. It's not just Guna only can do that. I mean, all of us can share
Sometimes
the knowledge.
Suresh will ping in the pitch in that and lost that now how to do the Naukri and LinkedIn and your regular things also it's possible.
Okay, that's great. So thank you so much, Guna, for taking your time and doing the preparation. I could see that you have so many slides prepared and you are waiting for the next upcoming sessions also. So
Sure.
thank you so much. for your time, Guna.
Suresh,
And
thank
your
you so much, Suresh. Thanks a lot. Really, let us take serious about build this community and do attend that. No, please spend some time and attend this training. At least commit for that, because see, always will tell that generally now use morning 9 to 5 work and evening 5 to 9, right? See that your 9 to 5 performance depends on the effort we are putting in the 5 to 9. That's what they are telling, right? Your weekdays performance depends on the effort you are putting in the weekends. Now, this is one of the platform for you people to perform, but everything is up to you. Speed, growth is always a choice.
Fantastic. So have a great day, all of you. So thank you so much. We'll meet in the next session.
Great.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Suresh.
Thank you all.
Thank you, Guna. Thanks, Sureshji.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.